During our last trip, we noticed that our sink was starting to fall and come loose from the countertop. The sink is mounted from the bottom and doesn't have a lip going over the top like most household sinks do. Upon further inspection, we noticed that the clips that hold the sink on underneath started to come loose or started to bend. As you can see, that has created a gap around the front and back sides of the sink. I went to Lowe's and purchased some metal brackets that can be adjusted, bent accordingly to help hold the sink up from the bottom. After a little bit of trial and error, I got the angle just right for the amount that I wanted to raise the sink. At the front of the sink, there were no additional supports to help hold it up. By adding the additional support and mounting it against the tab sticking down from the sink, I am hoping that it will keep the metal bracket from bending as we travel. In the back, there were two clips already installed. However, they had come loose, as well as the brackets on the sides of the sink. I took the brackets out along the back edge, bent them a little bit more to provide more push or lift to get the sink level with the back edge of the countertop. When I replaced the brackets, I turned them inward just a little so it rested against the metal piece coming down from the sink. My hope is that it won't allow the bracket to bend and slide flat as we travel. With adjusting these two metal brackets, I didn't feel it was necessary at this time to put another bracket in place for additional support.